Hello, fifth grade mathematicians and their families. Today is Math Star Question Mistake Edition. I am going to solve this problem, but I may have made a mistake. I want you to see if you can find the mistake I made. Hopefully you have already solved this problem. If not, maybe pause the video and see if you can solve it first. Then watch as I solve it and see if you can find my mistake. The weight of sand in a large bag is 63 4/10 pounds. The sand in the bag is divided equally into 20 small bags. What is the weight in pounds of the sand in each small bag? Well, there really isn't much guessing in what operation we are going to do to solve this. It gives us a very big hint right there. The sand is divided, and it's divided equally. So that's a pretty good hint that we are going to divide. And then when the question is asking for how much sand is in each bag, I know that that means we are not looking for a total. So since we have equal groups and we're not looking for a total, that for sure means we are going to divide. So what is the total? The total is 63 4/10, which means that is what is getting divided. And I am dividing it by the number of bags, the number of groups. So the first thing I need to do is make my multiples, right? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, that's a 40, 160, and 180. Is there any reason for me to go any more? No, we always do 9 multiples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I'm going to go through the steps of division. Can 20 go into 6? No, it can't, so I'm going to put a 0 on top. Well, can 20 go into 63? Yes, it can. So let me count. 1, 2, 3. 60 is the closest multiple. So that's 3 times 20 can go in. And I'm going to subtract 60. So 63 minus 60 is 3. Bring down my 4. I'm going to go ahead and bring my decimal up so I don't forget. Well, how many times can 20 go into 34? Well, it can't go 2 times. So I'm going to put a 1 here. And I'm going to subtract 20. 4 minus 0 is 4. And 3 minus 2 is 1. Well, I don't have anything else to bring down. And I have a remainder of 14. So I think the best thing to do with this is just to take my remainder and put it on top. That's what we do, right? So, oh, and there's my answer choice. The answer must be 3 114 thousandths. Do you agree? Is this the right answer? If it's not, where did I make my mistake and how could I fix it? The first 5 students to bring me the correct answer and the mistake I made will get a prize. See you this week.